Hi, and welcome to my channel, The Online In. Today I'm going to be showing you an Atomic Hub tutorial on how to make an NFT. Super easy. So you already created your ID on wax.io, you got your wax.wham wallet. You just go over to New Creator, create new collection. I already did that. This doesn't have the photo in it, so I'll edit it. I don't know. Sometimes, depending on where you got your photo, it's a little weird. Okay, well, whatever. We're going to create a new schema today, because that's like, we'll call it dogs or tutorial, even better. NFTs. The collection name is the hardest to get. I just did YouTube stuff for it, and this is actually my second take on trying to make the video. So you got your schema. All I did is add text and image. It's you can add more if you want. It's not a big deal, but when you do your template, it can only have what's in the template. You can never change it. So we'll say NFT tutorial, and you just create the template. I advise not having a max, so you can do packs or anything like that in the future. It's a lot easier. If you do want to make it exclusive, make the tutorial template. Make the template exclusive, 10 or 1 or whatever you want to do. Anyways, you just click on NFT Creator again and you can view the collection now that you have a template, and you'll mint that new asset, and it'll just be NFT tutorial, and just make one. You can make 10 at a time. You might have to buy some more wax after a couple of these, so make sure you make your template right and what you want to sell. You can always spend more wax on your RAM, which I'm going to do right now. Give it 5 wax. That's way more than enough. 48. I would be set for like 100 templates and 100 mints easy. It's not very much. 5 wax is like, what, a quarter? Just kidding. $1.50, something like that. So now we got a ton. It doesn't show more, but it's there. Now that we have that, you can check in your inventory for your first NFT, and it should be right here. Might take a second for it to mint out, since you minted it out of the template, and it takes a second, but it is a one-of-one NFT tutorial. And we're also going to be giving out my first wheel of names. And this will be for the next mint, because I like to send my first mints to a wallet that collects first mints. UTVR. Whatever. My computer doesn't like me. YouTube VR. So now we're going to mint out one to our winner. Be super awesome. This is something you should never do without people's permission. You should always just send them to them if they're not expecting it, but this is my friend, and they're going to be expecting it anyways, because they know they're on the whitelist, they won, they get one. I'll create one in their name. Seems a lot easier, and kind of gives you a tutorial on why you'd want it to be in your name and everything. And that is the NFT tutorial. If you have any more questions, I should be creating more videos about drops, packs, the whole 9 yards, because I freaking love this stuff. There's awesome things out there. Alien Worlds is an awesome game. Capcom is an awesome company with some great art. Merge them together. Till then, stay easy.